Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to unrepost on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok app. After opening the TikTok, click on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Then click on the repost option from your profile. Tap to play a video you reposted and then tap on share. And click on remove repost to remove the video. Then repeat the same process with all other videos you reposted. Open up the video, click on share icon, and tap to remove repost. Now all of your videos are unreposted from your profile. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.